This first one is called My World is Art, and it's by Anya, Maleeka and Nafisa from Danegrove Primary School. My world is a paintbrush full of wonder and colour. It is smooth, soft paper, ready to be drawn on. It is a calm, relaxing world as I sketch my days away. Creativity and beauty, love and care. Pictures floating in my mind, having marvellous parties with my brain. I enter a picture and explore the place of wonder, creativity and beauty, love and care. My world is like a perfect pencil. It impresses generations that will go on for eternity and will never break. It is a pen that draws people into my fabulous world. Creativity and beauty, love and care.